Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to create stunning logos using Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just love design, this tutorial is for you. First, let's open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's super easy to sign up. Once you're in, head over to the search bar and type in logo. Canva offers a ton of templates to get you started. Here, you'll see a variety of pre-made templates. You can choose one that fits your style or start from scratch. Today, we'll pick a template to make things quick and easy. Now, let's customize our template. Click on the text to change the name of your brand. You can also adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand identity. Next, let's add some icons. Click on the Elements tab and search for icons that represent your brand. Drag and drop them onto your canvas, resize, and position them as needed. Remember, less is more. A clean and simple design often looks more professional. Use the alignment tools to make sure everything is perfectly centered. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your logo. Click on Share button at the top right corner, choose your preferred file type. PNG is great for most uses, and hit Download button. And there you have it. A stunning logo created in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.